ki khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashaphi taka Frank Motors. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
MIT University of Meghalaya. Our admissions are now open for the academic year 2024-25. Explore our best courses, experience global collaborations. Apply today.
Ka Grace Institution Bangalore ka College Plie Nursing ka babhatam na kabanta ki khna ka Meghalaya kala play ya ka admission minta.
Uba polling do ubali menteri jong sarkar jela hak khrat ring Laitung araja apsa ulapli padba ya jaka ajing hikai kabalatip kum ka Accentuate Makeup Hair Academy kabadan hadan busko Laitumkhrah Shillong ya kani ka academy la long try do ba badab bor nyota ubala pendap ya jing puli ba jing sha hikai pentibet na nong ba Bangalore hak jing kalen ba bati CTV new samla ul aimin CM ki para samla ki ba angnut ban sengkam la jong da ka ba ong ba ulong bokloi banya sam ya jing tip ka ba ula yo shaki we pat ki para samla jong jela.
I go you play like a rap, play kalat yang beban, play ketika cakap IG kay yang upcoming skills di profession of Meghalaya, and I go you make part of that, lalu ni by rap yang kata stem, dari rap kan, play yang ketika kan itu, but I go iba ball, lalu mana siapa orang, boleh buat kelas, and once you come the evening cop, I'm very grateful to him. And also the chief minister of Meghalaya for giving chances for me to open when you are on play late master class for Shillong club in Jakarta.
When I first met him, he was in a long queue of job seekers. And today, he is not a job seeker anymore. He is an employment generator. So it's a major transition. A good story, which as a close friend of his family and as a public representative, I am deeply proud of the way he ran the law, the public step on, but this is an occasion for us to rejoice, and also this occasion goes very well with the current ethos which we are propagating, which is youth centric and youth at the core of our activities. Just yesterday, the state government had launched its own OTT platform, which will facilitate musicians and movie makers on a platform which is global. And also, as part of yesterday's program, we have formally partnered with Hardrock Cafe, which in the month of August itself, one of the global bands from Shillong is traveling to Bangalore to perform at two of their cafes. So the attention now is shifting towards the youth. And I reiterate what I have always said, that the energy of the youth can be channelized in the right way. Because if we do not use it in the right way, it gets wasted. It is like a river which has so much of power, so much of force. But if you do not tap that river, it can only lead havoc, bring destruction, flash floods, destroy crops. That is the latent energy of a river. But once you channelize it in the right manner, that river can produce even power and generate power supply. So, once again, I wish your venture the very best. I pray if you could be the same, but again, today unang berdekat ini, dalam ini, but yeah, I expect to see more. Probably this will be the first venture, but over the years, I'm sure Para will be able to expand and grow even further in life and be a source of inspiration to all of us who, I would always like to say, should ask ourselves, are we part of the problem or are we part of the solutions? Do we still just waste our time cribbing about things, or will we provide solutions? Which would be Laitumkhrah. Thank you so much.
When Josh came for the first time, I remember we were looking for a good faculty basically, and he was advised by another faculty. So Josh came with like nice suit, and immediately he got my attention. But he was, I don't think we had any teaching experience at that time. In a span of couple of years, Josh was the one who was teaching our teachers. We sent Josh to Mumbai because he constantly wanted to upgrade himself. And he's been, throughout the career with us, he's been one of the most dedicated person, professional, and loved by every single student. I never received one single complaint from any of the students of Josh. Josh is the only one in my team who always had the highest, what we call a TQ, which is teaching quality. So the day that he told me that he wanted to leave, it was one of the most difficult things for me, because of course losing an excellent team member is always difficult. But I think being here today and seeing that you are in this space, I'm one of the happiest person in the world. And
Thank you. Mga kating badang board nyota asabo jail and tangan pilih po academy Laitumkhrah ketika mereka berhira academy jadi courses dan balai bersih. Well, dalam mencuba kalau aku akan pilih orang sabar pesan sedang orang sabar kita kai sabar kat sedang ketika industri jauh akhir mereka aku apa itu sabangan dream kai mga an pilih ketika dukan company jingkai menai kena sport Shillong sini di soal kerja dalam play para play kelat kan lebih play kerja jangka panjang jingkai kena apa Meghalaya tujuh sebagai state of North East dekat ke bahasa pelayo mga sabar atas dem aku pangan ai ni kan pentiu ya ka state ng North. Nas dagat kita hau berai 2008 sampai dulu project Habib in here. Tadi waktu nak try project Habib, nak try po few salons po Bangalore, and then later ayo a chance po government of Meghalaya apply ke course kepada po UK, jadi pakai make up di sponsor of government Meghalaya, but we have a late interview but test. The process of a few selection process itu, and then clear test, and then interview, and then alit po kita join the academy where the Habia, which is from United Kingdom affiliated, for Delhi. Then I was about 6 months, and then after there, immediately I was a topper in my academy, my batch. I come likely come to Delhi after Katway. I joined few salons, and for few salons for Delhi, but for Faridabad. Now after there, later I joined for MAC Cosmetics. This is one of the top store in North India, Saket Mall. I played for 2 years, and after 2 years, we offered for ILFS Skills India. và as a trainer, train to ba ask them. And then ask them until they are offer for Pearl Academy as a senior lecturer. Then Pearl Academy is one of the top fashion academy in India. And I train to mentala those them, and then it was this year banga kuan sedang nak jong. Taket. Kapo ketika jaka baik kaya kan ni, kita design ka course, hakata ko kamba, ikna how we can learn tang makeup hairstyle, also how to face an interview, so the interview shy. Now ta kini ki course ako kini course kila art kini ki model, sekarang ka styling. Because come the artist, come the hairstylist, she would equip and groom kini ki client like for dressing. Have naman style kuno nang tabe kumtahi, and then also photography. Photography as a makeup artist, hairstylist, one tip kuno benchandur, pak phone na pak camera nang tabe gila include ki airbrush masterclass in ki course, kini ki one day masterclass. Kini become different what we have here in Shillong. And also towards the end of the module, ada assessment berkhid. The group how to face an interview, shabar, how to go to make your own CV portfolio, because it's important nowadays for social media, Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, on have kini portfolio ng jong. Kaya kita. Kaya kaya ta library. And then still can pay 2 installment. It's only 35,000 for 3 months. And then the face design in such a way ba ngi ko ba kina ko ba yo kat hay kila ban join academy mo. And then ang tare gi ai makeup product free ki make practice for class. Also we will tell them ki ik mag tiep ki makeup products ki hair product tiep ki is a guide me you. Kana sa ko course worship nai kata ka dik pang ini pula ada makeup course here course ko on advanced in fashion editorial hairstyle makeup. It's a 3 weeks and 1 week they just pang ini films ki prosthetic makeup cuts blues ko film horror no. Kata ka and 3 weeks. They get an athlete assessment. After assessment, they have to clear, then they'll get the certificate. Yeah, kata yang happen inang ikan mentah bani design ka government, deki on prela mentah, because you haven't charged ka fees balik kaya make products jungi, you haven't tiat about em kita. Dapat ya kata yang badan mentah, but we looking forward as hadir ngi kuat in manera ibam lakot mentah, berapa nak kendong, berapa nak Shillong, ibam lapan siung mentah, kita bak fees ham indet kan. Message kon ai yang ini kasih jantia tunjuk ke dari mereka barang ni kita sedang menkuah balik mereka lain makeup, hairstyle, beauty dari skin look milai kami keba suk mo keba jenjar ha ngah khasan sedem ngatai durut asong tuk semua Faridabad be honest you itu hak pick iba kita Shona ka boss litre hakajing shot slap hakajing shot ski tinting no missile leru ndengat ngadap kumno so ngadap ta they come make so one day akane but you have to have determination and commitment and also a passion. Very important, you should have these 3 things. Determination, passion and commitment, you should have these 3 things. If not kini aman to aman le mlawan first la year or le ta mal will day mo te kata ka diba pa message ki kena like Shillong, kena show Jakarta Shillong, but have a dish to make masuk. But once you are there, masuk. Mo, kemudian orang melawan education yang melawan construction ski the kena course dia kan makeup, dia hair, dia hairstyling, construction about Raisha, basic ski Shillong. I am where I am right now also because of my grateful for God, helped me so much. Now also getting to system juga, boleh lah player. Kadang-kadang saya design banyak jenis kain, ikna you, and also balik freelancing lah kajong, boleh kajong kita. Klien kita buat balik freelance.